Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 structured screen display issue. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your system, and after doing this step, change the screen resolution. So change your screen resolution according to your screen. So I have already selected a highly recommended. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, click on a display adapter and expand it, select it, click on update driver, click on search automated from drivers, click on search for update driver on Windows Update. So if any updates available, then download and install in your PC. So in my case is a no. After doing this step, check for updates. Okay guys, so if any update available, then download and install in your PC. Now downloading will be started. So it's required of a few minutes to complete this. After completing that, downloading the install in your PC and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that going to your settings of your Windows. After doing this, go to your update and security and make sure that your Windows is up to date. If any update available, then download and install your PC and restart your computer. I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.